Welcome to Serbia, a land where history breathes through its mountains, rivers, and seas. My name is Stojanović Andrijana, and today I invite you on a journey to experience the heart and soul of my homeland. Serbia is not just a place. It's a feeling, a story, and a way of life. Our traditions are alive in every corner of Serbia. Music and dance flow through our veins, with festivals celebrating the spirit of our nation.
Food is at the heart of every gathering in Serbia. Our cuisine is a reflection of our diverse history and the richness of the land. When you come to Serbia, the places you must not miss are definitely the National Park Tara and the Uvac Canyon, the Manasija Monastery, Golubac Fortress, and the unmissable place I would recommend is Zlatibor.
Zlatibor offers breathtaking views, fresh air, and endless adventures in nature.
Serbia is more than just my homeland. It's where I learned the values of family, love, and perseverance. It's where I discovered my passion for dance, my dedication to fitness, and my love for connecting with others. I am proud to represent Serbia not just as a place on the map, but as a vibrant and beautiful nation that has so much to offer the world.